I am here at Imperial Business Park in Dufferin, on the suburb of Newport, and today we will be visiting an abandoned road. Smashed lamppost over there, old dotted around street lights. This road was abandoned in the mid-2000s. Hasn't seen any traffic at all. Even has road markings. Huh? Look at that. See, the reason why it didn't open to traffic is because it was supposed to open. It was supposed to open as an extension of a now closed LG plant, which was manufacturing. But yeah, pretty damaged road surface for something that hasn't been touched at all. Let's go down the correct side of the dual carriageway and not the American or European side. Let's go. Because this side of the carriageway is overgrown. Yeah, looks like a lay-by, it really isn't. It's the actual part of the dual carriageway. Isn't that crazy? It used to have loads of rubbish because people were using it for fly tipping. But the council spent loads of money and it's been since cleared up. It's now been branded a road to nowhere, and you can kind of see why. Well, you can see why, and it's now a road to nature now, because that's what the council have branded it, because it's just been sitting and doesn't look like there's going to be expansion anytime soon, because the factory that it was supposed to supply closed down. Down there, yeah, there's the A48 at around about there, and that's roughly what it was supposed to look like. And if you go here, yeah, there is the factory that went bust. Okay, that's unexpected. A car. Royal Mail. They're using the road. That's unexpected. 3, 2, 1, go! Keep up! Oh no, you've been trying. And I am the winner. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.